today's the day where I'm gonna go through and check everything out, what's inside and under the trunk and everything else. So let's see what's inside this old girl. Well, got the interior cleaned out. The front floor section on the driver's side is pretty rough, but oddly the under the rear seats on both sides are in pretty good shape. A couple small holes, but I think it's savable. Lots of bits and pieces. The trunk floor is kind of rough. I'll probably have to do the trunk floor. Well, I gotta do the trunk floor anyway by the time we do this. By the time we take all this stuff off and do everything, it'll be the deck lid looks questionable. Deck lid's got some pretty good size corrosion. So this is all the stuff. We have a pretty complete interior disassembled, including a bunch of tan stuff. New radiator, wiring for the under the hood, door panels, window assortment of stuff there. So it's got a spot there and there. Right there. Maybe the sight isn't as good as I thought. Come on. Might be able to. Definitely a rough spot right there. Looks like tar. I wonder if this has been repaired before. Stink bugs. I wonder if this has been repaired. Pretty bad. So it looks like this under seat is not real good, and then this section is certainly not real good. So this is up in the passenger front. Yeah, this is pretty rough through here. Oh. It's got an AC system. I got a second AC system. Interesting. Alright. I guess it looks like a second complete AC system. Oh. A couple of brackets. Anyway, so we gotta take the shifter out. Shifter's gotta come out because it's going to go to an automatic or a 5-speed manual. Wow, it's actually really good. Floors need work. Floors certainly need work. But after that, should be in pretty good shape. All right. Yeah, this back panel is pretty hammered. You can see bits. It's been repaired at one point in time. Not particularly well, but it was sort of repaired. Yeah, that thing's gonna have to get replaced.